We understand that while you're trying to build your business and grow it for the future, you still have to get your business done today. So when we come out to shoot video in your establishment, we're going to work really hard to minimize the impact that the video production process is going to have on your business so that you can keep going on a day-to-day basis. Now, sometimes that's scheduling wise, in terms of scheduling the shoot at a slow time for you, either a slow day of the week, a slow hour of the day, depending on what your type of business you have. If it's possible, we'll either come in on off hours, early in the morning, late at night, come on weekends, on days that you're closed. That's a great way to minimize the impact on your business. But there may also be times where we're going to have some impact on your business. So you need to be aware of that, and we'll work with you to make sure that that's a manageable thing for your business and it won't really impact you too greatly.